Wow. Superman, a Superman with this name, lunchbox, $89.
Is it vintage?
Yeah.
Is it one of the? Is it?
Yeah.
Does it come with the thermos?
78.
Mm,
Yeah.
78. Okay, nice. I sold. I wish I had enough. I need to look up the brand. There's this a mug. I don't sell mugs very much, but it was, I want to say, like 8 inches, 6 inches. It had its complete. Oh, let me put that on the screen. Had a complete nice. What is the name of the brand? There's a brand you can look at, and it's very obvious in the mug because it's literally like his face, his arms.
Yep. Wow. Mint condition. I'm sorry to cut you off.
No.
1968, $177.
Because that's now you're talking about the comic book as opposed to the movie. Because the movie came out, what, 78, I think?
Yep.
So.
But just this here, like, I look at the little things, but just this here, when you go to a estate sale, you'll find a thermos, and this is just a lid. Just a lid. I mean,
look at that picture. You can't even tell what the hell it is. I mean,
I know what it is. I know
exactly. You know what it is, but I'm saying that picture right there.
Yeah, you can't tell what it is. Let's go in and see. Let's go in and see what their other pictures look like. And again, there is no criticism here because that's not what I do.
Well, that's what we're looking for, to be honest. You look at that picture, maybe nobody bid on it. And then you can go pick it up for $1 and then, maybe sell it for $13. He could have sold this for more, maybe.
Wow.
He just put the wrong picture as the first one.
Yeah, but it's really beat up.
Yeah, it is beat up.
And I don't think he sold it. That's not a sold.
That's not a sold. That's right.
Oh, yes, it is a sold. Yes, it is. We did go to sold. No, we're on sold.
Okay.
Yeah, he did sell for $12.
Nice.
But like Mo said, like, guys, like you can definitely look at that and see that that's a bad picture. We all do bad pictures.
Yeah, I'm the king of bad pictures.
Yep. Wow. $500. See, I know nothing about this stuff.
See, like this one right here. Why would you have this in the wrapping paper, whatever the hell, that white paper? You see that $5?
The tissue paper.
Yeah. Why? I mean, is that original tissue paper? I don't know. Maybe there's Superman tissue paper.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool, though.
Sorry if I'm going fast, guys. I'm trying to find the pictures.
Yeah, just right there. Go down, you'll be able to see it.
Right there.
Yeah, see, I still think.
Is that the whole set?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's
the whole set.
How many did he say? He didn't even put it in there.
Okay, here's the descriptions. 25.
Okay.
Yep. There's about 55 lunch boxes and 25 thermoses.
Wow. And
guys, like, this is what I'm trying to say is, and I used to do this back in the day, is I would buy remote control car lots on eBay. And you can buy remote control car lots if you have that much money. Like, people are like, oh, like, I can't find anything in my area. You gotta step up to the plate.
Mm-hmm.
So this guy has 55 thermoses. Mo, you're good with numbers, but if you break down 55, so say 50 thermoses and 25 thermoses, 55 lunch boxes, you put that together, that's 75. Divide the 75 by 500.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't get much at all. You get 15 cents. Yeah.
What is he selling them for? $15? Is that 15?
Yeah,
each?
A piece.
15 each. In my eyes,
15 a piece if you break it up.
Yeah, 15 a piece, which is sort of high, because if you have more, but still, some of them. Let's go back. Let's see. I'm gonna just jump down, guys, to. I like to do this. We'll go to lowest. And okay, so we got to dollar. We don't want those. I usually go to not auction, buy it nows. So we're gonna buy it now. Sold just a lid, $1. Just saying. Okay. So here we go. So we got $6, $1, just the strap, $7, $3 it actually sold for. So these are always the low end. $8, $8, just a lid, just a lid.
Yeah, I don't know how you break those up because 75 it's 55 plus you said 25, right?
It's 55 plus 25, which is I just got it in.
Oh yeah. I mean,
that's 15
$5 a piece then.
Yeah, almost $10 a piece. Which
I mean, see, I don't know if you break it up by complete set, thermos and that, but either way, that's a wholesale lot. You're getting them for less than $10 a pop.
And these guys are gonna throw numbers out there. 500. Where did he come up with $500? Like so you can always.
Was that an auction lot or was it buy it? That was a buy it now.
Auction. Let's go back. I gotta go way back. Okay, let's see. It was right about here. Nope. I gotta go back up to let's go to highest. God. I know I'm scanning fast, guys. I apologize. I'm sort of trying to look.
I wonder, I mean, if that included shipping, you're talking about like $6 a piece.
Yeah.
80 pieces. That's nuts. I would have bought that.
Yeah. And that's what like people are like, oh,
I think it was one with tissue paper. The one with tissue paper right there at the top of the screen.
That one. Yep.
Yep. Click on that $500 mint one. All new, $6 a piece is, or whatever it is. That's crazy. Or these repops.
I wonder if they're repops. I don't know much about this. And
I don't either. So that's why I'm wondering, are these?
But a lot of people have to realize that these go into your category that you're in and go into the top. Go all the way up to the top. Like, for instance, if I do this, guys. So you guys know I'm a tool guy, right? So if I go to, I'm going to jump in the tool lot. And then used, because I saw used tools. So then I'm going to jump over to highest. And we got, these are Snap-on. Okay. So this guy has all these Snap-on tools, over 150 pieces. Then there's this other tool lot, $1,000. Go in those, look around, see if there's any few things that you see that you can, make some money off of, and throw them an offer. Totally throw them an offer. Like this lot right here. Back in the day, depending on what we got for ratchets here, so we get a lot of cheapos. There. But back in the day, I was selling those for $15 a piece. So
wow.
Yeah.
Just for a ratchet?
Just for a ratchet. So I would have been that guy to grab this set and it's make an offer. I would have made him an offer for $150 and I would have grabbed that set.
Nice. And that's kind of what I do with it's harder though. See, the problem is I do action figures and stuff. Mm-hmm. So people they kind of are in love with their inventory more than clothes or tools, I think. So they'll be like, no, these are worth $15 a piece. I'm like, no, I'm not even going to sell them for $15 a piece. Mm-hmm. I'll sell them for like 10 to 14, I can give you basically I break it down to like less than $2 a piece. That's what I want to buy them for.
Yeah.
Give or take.
So this is one of the tricks I use, $2 with tools. Now, again, we got some numbers here, but I've literally paid, I've paid $6,000 for a toolbox full of tools. That's me. That's what I've done.
Now, by toolbox, you mean this giant thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna go into a
chest?
sold. Yeah, I'm gonna go into a sold. And I'm sorry if I'm fast. I am not in the chat. I don't know if we have anybody.
I don't think so. Not that I can see.
Well, they're missing the boat, but that's okay. Because we are dropping bombs right now.
Leroy bombs.
Let's get out of here. Okay. See, that's why I hate these screens.
Yeah, you just advertise somebody's store for them, so I wouldn't be too upset.
No, they can't get my code. So any of this is now, it's open book.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see here. So I want to go toolbox with tools, search. And then I want to go highest first. No, that's lowest first. We want to go highest first. And we're already on sold. I just don't like this. I don't know why that one's in there, because it should be, the numbers should be way higher than that.
Yeah.
Let's just go. Let me go to Snap-on. I hate doing it this way. Snap-on. Okay. So then we're going to go, I'm at highest. Okay. So we got this set here. That's sold for $1,580.
Okay.
That's sold for that. Okay. Let's go inside. Now this is somebody who is getting into mechanics, or they know what's going on here. But at that price, at $1,000, there's still money in that. In Leroy's eyes, in my eyes, there is still money in here. So all these sockets look good. Okay. He doesn't say how many are there. He just says sets. Let's see what his listing says. I don't see much as description. Okay. So I'm going to guesstimate 10, 20, 90, 100, 110, 120. This is how I just quick scan stuff. 20. So I'm going to say there's 200 pieces here. Okay. So 200 pieces, and my minimum price I'd be able to get for most of this is about $15 a piece. But some of them are $100 pieces. Like this one piece here.
There's 200 pieces there.
Yeah, there's 200 pieces here. So it'd be 200.
So you're talking about a $3,000 box then.
How many?
3,000.
Yeah.
If 200 times 15 is 3,000.
Yeah. And there are
what do you think for this? Or what does he want for this?
They sold it for $1,500.
So you double up at least. Yeah.
So you double up. And
nice.
And they're easy. They're quick flip. You could literally put the stuff under your bed and sell out of your house. I'm not going to give too much more knowledge out.
That was a segment from RNP Just List with Mo and Leroy in the mornings. We record on YouTube Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can find us at Reseller Niche and Blood, Sweat, and Sell on YouTube. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one, see you.
Thanks for listening to the Reseller Niche Podcast. Show notes and social media links are located at resellerniche.com. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to us on iTunes or YouTube or wherever you get your podcasts.